खंय तरी आमी फाटी पडले. आमी म्हटल्यार हांव खंय फाटी पडले. इट वॉज नॉट फूल फ्लॅज एक्सपिरियन्स. सो जेन्ना आमी असेंब्ली पळयताले पयलीं जशें जातालें, एक तो एटमॉस्फियर जाता, हितून कामां भरपूर जाता. हांगा येवन तुका एक 1-to-1 इंटरेक्शन गावता प्रत्येक आमदारा कडेन, प्रत्येक मंत्री कडेन. So that is where you build relations. That is where you strengthen your bond with each and every MLA, all the ministers that are there. You get to know everybody. That is how my experience was in the first year. But nonetheless, 2.5 वर्सां गावल्या. 2.5 वर्सां जे करपाक गावलें आमकां, even though COVID was there, जायतीं कामां करपाक गावलीं आमकां. May it be through the departments, may it be through learning the entire systems, the procedures, how to speak in the house, how to address your issues, how to speak on a congratulatory motion, how to speak on an obituary reference, or whatever the matters that take place in the house, where be the budget speech. There is a lot that was learned in the 2.5 years. And I think being under pressure of a 2.5 year term, you tend to learn much faster.
Being the youngest MLA and all, and he always also made a development as far as your expectations के जावपाक जाले तुजे कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी जाल्या.
म्हाका एज पर माय एक्सपेक्टेशन बिलकुल जावंक ना. सो इट इज नॉट एनीबडीज फॉल्ट. वी आर इन दीस सिच्युएशन. हांव निमता सांगून सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. परत
कोविडूय मेळ्ळें मदें.
देर इज नो पॉयंट इन जस्ट ड्रॅगिंग वॉट इज हॅपन, वॉट इज गोईंग ऑन. सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. वी जस्ट रिकवरींग. तरी कोविड आसना कारणाकूय आमी जायतीं कामां केल्या. We have done a lot of works. We have completed. We are going to initiate some and complete some works in the PWD, especially for the city of Mapsa. हांव हालींच maybe 10-10 दीस पयलीं सांगलेलें आसा की 17 कोटीची कामां in terms of roads only for the city of Mapsa we are about to commence. So within the next 2 days we are starting the pothole filling as per the promise made by our Honorable Chief Minister, and with good weather, by God's grace, आमी 2 दिसां भितर जितले pothole आसा through the PWD department we are trying to fill wherever it is damaged in the city of Mapsa.
How much is in the next upcoming assembly elections, especially when you talk about Mapsa constituency, with this experience, the development which you have taken, which you are about to do, everything?
This is to add this. म्हाका सांग पळय, तूं जर कांयच सक्सेसफूल जालें ना तुजी कामां करपाक, तुवें मॅनिफेस्टो सक्सेसफूल जालो ना करपाक, फुलफील केलो ना, जाल्यार तुका फाल्यां दारान वोटींग मागतना तुका लोक विचारतले तेन्ना तूं कितें रिस्पॉन्स दितलो?
फुलफील केल्यार म्हणल्यार आख्खो मॅनिफेस्टो करूंक मेळना. तशेंच आमी जी थोडी कामां सांगल्या, now with reference to the interim bus stand which work is going on, in another month or so we'll complete that work. Also the Tar Bridge through GSIDC is going to be tendered in the month of November. Tashet 131 crores of underground power cabling is already sanctioned, is already awarded. So that work also will start. We have cleared legacy waste at amche Asagaon. That is a very big thing for the city of Mapsa. म्हाका दिसता 35 ते 40 वर्सांचो कचरो through the Department of Environment, Bab Nilesh Kabral, through all his efforts has made sure that that entire place is being cleaned. Almost 80% of the garbage that is there has been removed. Around 20% je urla, they are in the process.
So how much you are confident?
So in terms of works, it is not like kaich जावना. भरपूर जाला. I will showcase, I will make a full presentation in terms of what I have achieved, even though there was COVID, even though I am a new MLA, even though it is only 2.5 years. ते सगळे प्रेशर आसून आमी एक युवा म्हणून आमचो जो बापोयन भरपूर कामां करून दवरलेली आसा. I just had to follow up those works. So in terms of development works, there were a lot of things that he had initiated and he had kept. They were ongoing.
So how much you are confident in the upcoming assembly elections as far as the victory is concerned?
In terms of what work I have done, in terms of how I have been working in 2 years, in terms of how I have matured as a young politician, I think the people of Mapsa, the people in general can see the difference. जे तू माझे 2019 पळय भाशणां आणि speeches, also interactions with media, there has been a big difference. So politics is a growing process. As an MLA, I am growing, and I am sure that with a term of 5 years without COVID, I think there is a lot that can be achieved. It's not only Mapsa constituency, there is interference everywhere. I think each candidate or each MLA, as long as they work in the constituency and they are in touch with people, म्हाका दिसता की कोणूय जे
काय प्रॉब्लेम
लोकांच्या मध्ये जो मनीस असता तो मनीस
But here the interference is from your party only.
ते पार्टीन खंय तरी हे घेवचें
दखल.
पडटलें इंटरव्हेन्शन घेवचें पडटलें दॅट इंटरफरन्सीस दे नॉट ओनली इन म्हापसा
फाटले फावट जे म्हापशेकर तुजे वांगडा आशिल्ले पळय रावल्ले ते परत रावतले अशें दिसता तुका
म्हापशेकर जे हारले ते रावतले
आनी जे ना ते येतले तुजे वांगडा
जे आतां फाटली 2 वर्सां जे मनीस आमी आनीक जोडलेले आसा सो अशें ना की आमी सदांच कामां करता जेन्ना आमी पळयना कोण आसलो कोण नासलो आमी सगळ्यांची कामां करता जो मनीस दारार येता आमी तांकां सदांच भितर घेता तेंचे कशें काम करूंक जाय तें आमी जितलें जाता तितलें करून दिता आतां ते मनशाचेर जे रावतलो आमच्या वांगडा ना रावतलो दॅट इज अप टू द पब्लीक